Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheesecake yogurt step by step. First, let's create our creamy base. You'll want to combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt in a bowl. Then, add 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, like maple syrup or honey, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together thoroughly until it's wonderfully smooth and lump-free. This forms the rich, tangy foundation for our delicious treat. Now let's enhance the flavor and texture of our cheesecake yogurt. For an airier consistency, gently fold in about 1/4 cup of whipped cream. If you prefer a brighter, tangier profile, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. You can also incorporate 1/4 cup of your favorite fruit puree, like strawberry or raspberry, for natural sweetness and a lovely color. These additions truly elevate the yogurt's character. Once your cheesecake yogurt base is ready, it's time for the fun part: toppings. For that classic cheesecake experience, sprinkle generously with crushed graham crackers. Fresh fruit is always a fantastic choice. Try adding about 1/2 cup of blueberries, sliced strawberries, or raspberries. A drizzle of 1 tablespoon of honey, maple syrup, or a sugar-free alternative adds a perfect touch of sweetness. Get creative and enjoy your personalized dessert. To keep your delicious cheesecake yogurt fresh, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay delightful for up to 3 days, making it a perfect make-ahead treat. For the best flavor and texture, I recommend chilling it for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Also, if you're looking for great leak-proof containers to help with your meal prep, check out the link in the description below, along with other fantastic deals. Enjoy your homemade cheesecake yogurt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.